Hello, it is I, Bob Ross, here again to record a video of doing cat origami. This will change your life forever. I am a professional in this category with my cat paper and cat book. So let's get started, shall we? Valley fold in half in each direction. Does this make me anxious? Absolutely. This is stressing me out, and I'm not even on step 3. I think we're doing something right. How do they do that? What? Maybe? I don't know, so we're just gonna do it. Is that correct? Honestly, probably not. They all look the same. Alrighty guys, this is my finished product. It was actually quite simple. I'm just kidding, I'm a liar, I'm a straight up liar, and I think I'm sorry. That I'm, you know, whatever. We're just, How to do origami.
And then next, so at this fold, you're going to take the other corner and fold it the other way.
Done.
Along those edges, and bring these 2 points inward down to the bottom, and then when you do that at the top, pull those crease down like that.
No!
So now you have this square, basically they're kind of like 4 little triangular flanges coming out. Then you want to always keep the flaps on the bottom. And then
Okay.
right here.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
And do the same thing on the other side.
I can do that?
Both sides later on.
Okay.
Fold there. Fold there.
Kung Fu fighting.
And the crease. You know what you want to do is take this bottom flap and push it up and crease it right there where this fold is, and then on the 2 inside creases, basically fold those in.
Oh no.
Kind of like this.
This dude needs to slow his roll. Okay. Everybody was Kung Fu fighting. This is not exactly correct. But we're getting there, so it's fine.
You're going to want to take this just like that, so it looks like that. And then now, piece right here, I want to fold up these parts on both sides. Flip it over, fold it up there at the bottom, and then now, basically invert it again. So pinch these 2 together, and pinch the back 2 together. And the second to last step, we want to take these and along this edge right here, basically just kind of pull them out.
We're gonna do this again.
I'm going to show you how to make a paper origami crane. And what I'm going to do this one, tilt it like that.
Tilted.
And these 2 folds right here, it's going to kind of naturally want to come together. And you want to fold along those edges and bring these 2 points inward down to the bottom. And then when you do that at the top, pull those crease down just like that.
Okay.
And then once you get to this point, you're going to want to tilt it like that. And these 2 folds right here, it's going to kind of naturally want to come together. And you want to fold along those edges and bring these 2 points inward down to the bottom.
Why do I struggle so much with this type of stuff? Okay.
tilt it like that. And these two folds right here, it's going to kind of naturally want to come together, and you want to fold along those edges and bring these 2 points inward down to the bottom. And then when you do that at the top, pull those crease down just like that. So that now you have this square, basically kind of like 4.
Why could I do this the first time? I'm gonna.
These 2 folds.
Slow down. I am so confused. The flaps.
And then now for the next step.
Okay, wait. He said that the flaps need to be on the bottom.
Once you get that creased real good,
got it.
you're gonna want to take this corner right here, this edge, and match it along the center crease you have right here.
Just do that. It's a butterfly. It more looks like a moth. But it's a butterfly. Okay, cool. Let's make a paper ninja star. All my cool friends did that as a child. So, this is a 7-minute tutorial. Let's make a simple fidget spinner. Origami master.
So you want to find just the right amount of tin.
So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I think we can officially say that I'm an origami master. That was much easier than I thought it was. Let's show you what I have created today. This went so much better than I thought. This went so much better than I thought it would. I'm proud of myself, and I think Bob will also be proud as well. I'm proud of myself, and I also think Bob Ross would be just as proud, or maybe prouder. I'm glad I served him well. Alright, just call me the origami master from now on. I hope you enjoyed this video. Origami master out. Everybody was kung fu fighting.